Hey, good morning guys. Just to show you guys what Indonesian hospitality is like. I'm being hosted here by this amazing family and look at where I am. I got some nasi pecel. I got free food. I got a free place to stay. And the cool thing about this place is actually a women's crisis center. Okay guys, so I'm here with Sri. Yeah. And she's such an amazing woman. So it turns out the place I'm staying, she has been for over 20 years now, been hosting a emergency center for women against physical violence, sexual abuse. And I'm just blown away. This is such an incredible woman, and it feels honored to be here because I grew up with some of the same things through some organization as well, volunteer, and this really inspires me. She is a teacher at the university and she does this as well as running the guest house or the place I'm staying, and I'm staying here for free as well. This is the best place I've been staying so far, and it's been free as well. I still can't believe it. But we're about to head out now and explore some of the best places here to visit in Malang. So let us get today started. Let's go.
After driving through the busy Malang city centre, we arrive at Jodipan, one of the biggest slums in Indonesia, better known as the colourful village or Kampung Tridi. And this is the story of how it was rescued from demolition into one of the top tourist destinations.
And when you come here to Jodipan, you will get one of these keychains like this. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah, look at that. Bagus.
My first impressions walking into Kampung Tridi was this place is absolutely magical. You could see the amount of love that was put into this place, and it felt like I walked into a thriving community space.
Wow. Guys, this place looks amazing. Look at this. We're getting down to the river now.
The amount of life and joy that I felt from this place was really special. As soon as I got down to the river, you can tell the kids were having the time of their life, and I had to join in on the fun.
Well, they actually got a slingshot, so I think I should be careful here. This guy knows what's up. Let us check out the rest of this place before we have to get to the next spot. It would be like the perfect time right now to take a swim. Look at this, guys. Wow.
Kampung Tridi is one of my favorite places to visit in Malang, and a beautiful side street with interesting art. Well, I did say interesting. And once you learn about the story of this place, you will appreciate it even more.
So about the story of Jodipan village. So originally this village was in a very bad condition and it was supposed to be demolished. So there was a group of university students, and what they had was a genius idea. And this idea was that if they could get enough paint, they would be able to save this village. And that's exactly what happened. A lot of people donated the paint and they got enough paint to paint all of these houses in order to save these people's homes. And it was enlisted by the army to paint all of these hundreds of houses. So we have in this part is the colorful part, and then the other side you have all the blue houses. And it's just amazing. And now since 2016 it's basically been a tourist spot, and all the ticket prices are going to the renewal of this place, which is amazing. And it's only 5,000 for the ticket and then 2,000 for parking. So yeah, that is pretty good. I really enjoyed my stay here. Like it was really cool to see. Got some food, met a lot of nice people, a lot of animals. It's been a very hot day, so I think we should get going. So let us head out.
With only a 30-minute drive away, we had our next destination to cool down, but on the way we got a little bit distracted.
Okay, so I'm stopping a little bit here at the side of the road. I'm gonna get some snake fruits. Look at that. 10,000 Indonesian rupiah for 1 kilo. Yeah, look at that. Sawo.
Sawo.
Huh.
One is Sawo Manilo.
Yeah. says it's sweet. I've never tried it before.
Yeah.
Sawo. Huh. You makan or
Nah,
makan ini?
dalamnya.
Oh yeah.
Ini dibuang.
Oh okay.
Ya, buang. Ya.
Yeah.
Sip.
Yeah, enak.
Enak.
Yeah, it's good.
Sama itu sekilo ya.
Berapa 1 kilo?
1 kilo 50.
50.
Ya, 50.
Okay, so I ended up getting some snake fruit, some sawo, and a dragon fruit. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it because so far on this trip there's been like mostly just like fried food. So I'm like really craving some fruits right now. Feels really good. So gonna get that, go to the water, enjoy ourselves. So let's have a good day. Would you look at that? We have arrived in the nick of time. Let's see if there's actually some time to enjoy this place or if it's already closing, but that is what we are about to find out. Okay, so it's 3,000 for parking and then 5,000 for the actual tickets. So let us head down and enjoy the rest of the day here. Oh my god, guys, we have arrived here at Sumber Sira and we're about to receive a lot of attention. I can see it, like everyone is staring at me and they see that I got a camera as well, so I'm feeling a bit camera shy right now, just because everyone is like pointing and laughing and it's like, it's a foreigner. It's a fun part about traveling, but you will definitely feel the discomfort if you look different from everyone else. It's so cool. He has been to Norway, to my home country. Look at that. So how did you like Norway?
Norway is really beautiful place.
Yeah?
Because I go around the world, right? Not only in Norway, but in Norway is very wonderful place.
Yeah, another place and more people for my YouTube channel. Look at that. Nobody laugh if I fall. They're all watching. I'm gonna get in like a baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. I found a way. I'm gonna sneak in like this. And then, okay, smooth. I'm here with my Indonesian friends from Malang. Apa kabar?
Yeah, baik. Very good.
Alright.
This is very drink.
Yeah, it's good. Enjoying it?
Very clean.
Having a good time?
Cool.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Hendra.
Hendra. Yeah. Nama saya Ole.
Come from?
Sir?
Where do you come from?
Norwegia.
Norway.
Yes. Okay, go on.
After a long day of traveling here in Malang, Indonesia, I must say that this has been a surprise. I did not expect me to like Malang that much, but this has been one of my favorite destinations so far on this trip. So I'm looking forward to see what else Indonesia has to bring.
Yeah, the kid definitely enjoys the ring more than me. I think he really deserves it. So this has been my adventure today here in Malang. It's been my first day here. Such an amazing adventure. So if you want to continue watching my adventures here in Java, then please consider subscribing, as I will be posting a ton of content here in Indonesia. I will see you in the next video and peace out.